First of all, I would like to thank all the press and media. என்னன்னா இன்னைக்கு தமிழ் ப்ரெஸ் மட்டும் இல்லை, ஆல் ஓவர் இந்தியாவிலேருந்து எல்லா லாங்குவேஜ்லேருந்து வந்திருக்காங்க. ஸோ ஐ வுட் லைக் டு தேங்க் ஈச் அண்ட் எவ்ரி ஒன் ஆஃப் யூ ஹூ ஹவ் ட்ராவல்ட் அண்ட் கம் so far. Thank you so much. Thanks for coming. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. வெரி ஹாப்பி டு பி ஹியர். இந்த படம் வந்து இட்ஸ் லைக் அ ட்ரீம். ஜென்ரலி இட்ஸ் லைக் மணி சார் தனியா we watch movies and we want to be a part of his films. Rahman sir, his music. Kamal sir, my on-screen guru. So Ravi K sir, everybody, like இவங்க எல்லாருமே like we used to like we watch their movies and I feel like one day we should be a part of their film and the mari tono. So this is like all of them together in one film that is like really surreal. And when we were shooting, it was very tough to even go and perform for the first few days because Mani sir, before this I did Chekkachivandhavanam. During that time it was that time itself it was little tough. Then after slow I started learning, okay, Mani sir kitta eppadi idu pannanum solli it took some time. But here it is like Mani sir and Kamal sir together, and in between you have to stand and they both will be talking and you won't know what to do in between. So it was like that. And thank you sir, thanks to Kamal sir, because ஒரு சின்ன வயசுல இருந்து நான் வந்து ஒரு சைல்டு ஆக்டரா சின்ன வயசுல இருந்து நடிச்சிருக்கேன். பட் நான் சொன்ன மாதிரி I've always seen his films and I've grown up. So to act next to him, it was really a great moment, and sir really took care of me very well. He encouraged me a lot. He supported me a lot. So that means a lot. And our Pakathale is given me a place next to him that is really shows his magnanimity. So thank you so much, sir. And thank you all for coming. And the movie is releasing on June 5th. Definitely, I can't talk a lot about the film right now, but I'm sure it will definitely be a different attempt from the genius Mani sir himself. And that too after Nayagan, they both are joining together. So I want to see it as a fanboy, and I'm very happy that I'm also a part of the film. And thanks to all my co-stars, Ashok Selvan, Trisha. As Trisha said, after Vinay Thandi Varuvaya, everybody's been asking when we will join back together, and we have joined in a very different film, I guess. And Ashok, a very nice friend and dear brother. I always love his work. I always call him and keep encouraging him to do good films. So I'm very happy he's also part of this film, and Joji George sir and everyone. And Rahman sir, favorite, my guru. So he's given a fantastic music, and the audio is going to release very soon. And I thank Madras Talkies, Shiva sir, and Red Giant, Shenbagmurthy sir, Mahendran sir, Disney, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Play Store மற்றும் App Storeல் இருந்து பாலிமர் செயலியை QR கோடு மூலம் பதிவிறக்கம் செய்யுங்கள். செய்திகளை உடனுக்குடன் பெறுங்கள்.